Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel where I talk about stocks, the stock market, and investing. I post videos daily, so if this sounds like something you want to get more of, subscribe down below. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one move that if Costco implements could drive profits higher by hundreds of millions of dollars. What is that move? You'll find out by the end of this video. So let's get right into it. So most of you are aware that Costco runs on a membership business model, meaning that customers need to pay annual fees in order for the privilege to shop at Costco's warehouses. Those fees are $60 or $120 for the regular and premium membership, respectively. And here I have pulled up Costco's most recent quarter's financial statement. And we see here in the 12 weeks ended May 8th, Costco earned 51.6 billion in net sales, and they earned 984 million from membership fees. For the 36 weeks ended May 8th, they earned 152 billion in net sales and about 2.9 billion in membership fees. If you look at their merchandise costs and SG&A expenses, you add them up together, we see here about 50.8 billion, and you compare that to net sales 51.6 billion. There's a very thin margin there between their operating costs and their net sales. And that's been Costco historically. They purposely keep their margins low, and any cost advantages they find through economies in scale, through bigger purchasing power, they pass those benefits on to customers. That's why customers are so willing to sign up and pay those fees, those annual membership fees, for the privilege to shop at Costco because of the low cost items they provide, the low cost shopping they provide. They save customers a lot of money. So in its most recent quarter, Costco earned an operating income of 1.8 billion and in the 36 weeks 5.3 billion. So what's the move that Costco can make to increase its profitability? That would be increasing the fees on its members. Costco historically raises membership fees roughly about every 5.5 years. The last time they did that was in 2017. So that time is approaching when Costco could be raising its membership fees. There was an analyst that said in December of 27 of 2021 that they believe that Costco was 8 to 9 months away from a membership fee increase. They note that the fee increase could be between $5 to $10. The Gold Star fee would go up to $65, while the executive fee would go up to $130, said Guggenheim analyst John Heinbuckel. And so the last fee increase was in June 1st, 2017. So we're approaching that time when Costco could raise its fees. Um, Also, notably, Sam's Club, one of Costco's primary competitors, already announced that it will be raising fees starting October 17. Fees will increase from $45 to $50 for club members and for $100 to $110 for the higher tiered level. So its competitor already raised fees, so that could pave the way for Costco to raise the fees. Interestingly, of course, analysts that are following this are are looking forward to this change, and they asked management, Costco's management, on May 22nd in the conference call, and management responded by saying historically we've raised fees every 5 to 6 years, with the last three increasing coming on average about the 5.5 year time frame, and the last increase was on June 17. As we approach this mark, there will be more discussions with Craig and Ron. This is the executive management team. But for today, We have nothing more specific to announce. So no announcements made from Costco on May 22nd. However, they do have an earnings call coming up in the next week or two, and in that earnings call they may make that announcement, that either make the announcement that fees are rising or make an announcement on when they will be increasing the fees. Now, Costco ended the third quarter with 64.4 million membership households. And if they do implement a $5 and $10 increase, that would be rough on average. If it's, let's say, $7.50 increase on these 64.4 million, and they don't get widespread customer cancellations, which shouldn't be the case, because if you look up here, historically, customer retention has been very high for Costco. 92.3% renewal rate in the US and Canada, 90% worldwide. So if they get similar renewal rates with the higher membership fees, that could potentially increase operating income by $500 million for Costco. That's a big increase, relatively speaking, when we look at over the last 36-week operating income was 5.3 billion. Let's say they end the year with operating income near 7 billion. So a 500 million increase in operating income for the following year is an almost 10% increase in operating profitability, because remember, when membership fees, those flow almost entirely to the bottom line. It's not going to cost Costco any money to implement that fee increase other than the simple, sending out an announcement. It's not like merchandise costs, where if some Costco sells an item for $10, it probably cost Costco somewhere like $9.50, and it's only making a very thin profit margin on that sale of $10. It's not like that with membership fee increases. The $5 and $10 membership fee increase will come with almost zero cost of goods sold, and so the increase in revenue will almost completely flow to the bottom line. So there you have it, one strategy or one move that Costco can make that can increase operating profitability by hundreds of millions of dollars. So that's all I have for Costco today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beat the market by more than 250%. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.